Hi guys, it's Chelsea with Crush Customs, and every now and then we get something in the shop that just makes our heads pop. And this one right behind me is definitely one for the books. This is a 24 F-150 Lariat, but it doesn't stop there. It's actually supercharged, and it's got a lot of beautiful bells and whistles, but the thing that was missing was the interior. The interior was absolutely boring, and our customer really liked the Black Widow package, but that's exclusive to Black Widow. But what we did is we made it as close as possible with maintaining his own identity and putting our Crush stamp on it. So why don't you take a look?